I also bought a new tool. I had a Amazon one. This one's from Harbor Freight, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's a little bit heavier duty than the one I bought before. You can cut that metal with a right angle grinder and a cutoff wheel, but I think this works a little bit faster and the cuts are nicer. What was that? Something I needed? It looks like the same design as the other one. No spare blades or anything. Doesn't look like it. Oh well. Feels pretty burly. Let's see what we got here. Bring this a little closer. We all know how interesting this part is. You can kind of see me make this cut. So, like I said, 2.5 inches wide. That's what the width of these uprights on the sculpture will be. I'll cut on the outside. There's a white chalk line in case you can't see it. I'll cut on the outside of that. See how it goes. Whoa, this thing cut wicked fast. This is that Bauer Harbor Freight sheet metal snipper. Cut awesome. The one I bought from Amazon did not cut like that. You had to push it. This one just went right through it. I can't remember what the cost is of this. I think it was like 60 bucks. I'll put it up on the video when I find out, but this thing's awesome. This is way better than a right angle grinder. It's way better. That cut's so good, I'm gonna cut a couple pieces here. Usually it's a super pain in the butt, but that thing was awesome. I like it when new tools work good, especially when they're cheap ones from Harbor Freight. I can tell I'm using exact science when I cut this. Got a little harder at the end there, but oil it up and hopefully it'll be good. Maybe take a little lithium instead. Might cut a couple more pieces here because definitely snowing out right now, but that's all right. It is cold. It's getting cold, man. That worked awesome.